The Bible myth tells of Moses meeting God on Mount Sinai and receiving the 10 commandments. These have been interpreted as moral principles of society, but behind them lies the true message, wisdom of consciousness. They are coded instructions for the spiritual self-development of humans. You shall not covet your neighbor's house. Again, this is not about real estate crimes. The word house refers to the Hebrew letter bet and symbolizes the connection between the upper and lower consciousness. According to the unity, these poles condition each other. Our upper consciousness is built on the foundation of the lower consciousness, the consciousness on the subconsciousness, like a house that stands firm only if it has a stable foundation, and especially one of its own. To covet someone else's house means to adopt ideologies and belief programs, such as the conventional interpretation of the 10 Commandments, without having thought for oneself, without being able to really identify with them subconsciously. Then the house is set in sand. Dogmatism and fanatism are thought buildings that stand on sand and not on a firm foundation of their own. We can find other houses beautiful and be inspired by them, but we must not forget to build our own house. Moving into other people's houses means adopting other programs, paradigms, without questioning them, and thus overshadowing one's true self. But only the exposure of the true self enables the manifestation of its happiness on earth, his own house. If you like my content, please leave me a like and a subscription. If you want to know the real background of the next commandment, please click on the next video. See you soon.